Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. So far in the day, gold has seen a good drop and achieved a critical support at 1802. At the same time, US30 and Nasdaq both trading bullish. They are close to 2% up. US100 is and US30 at close to 1% up. Now, what is going to happen today? Which entries we should take? What can be expected from the markets throughout US cash session? I am going to tell you with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. We'll try to find out. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start the day with gold first. See, gold failed to breach the critical resistance at 1830 here. It has seen multiple candles achieving those levels and at the same time broke the support at 1820 as well. Now trying to achieve 1800, possibly it might hit 1800 levels as well. So look at the candle size, almost $10 move here and here from 1810 to 1800. So these 2 hour charts probably will see 1800 and well might go well below these levels. The next support will come into picture at around 1791 levels, which is again going to be a good support. Look at the 2 hour stochastic. This is oversold here. The MACD line is trading with the divergence here and indicating more bearishness. And if you look at the stochastic on the 2 hour charts, is again oversold here. This is just on the 2 hour charts. Let's have a look at the 3 hour charts here. On the 3 hour chart, you can see minor retracement, and after this retracement here, it is trying to take a shape again, now trying to achieve the lower lows. See, the lows here are very much well placed at around this zone at 1802 and 1800 levels. Possibly these levels must provide a support. If it breaks this zone, possibly we may see a very strong fall if it breaks this zone at 1800 1802 levels. Look at the 3 hour stochastic. This is again reversing, trying to enter into oversold levels. MACD is again wide divergent, indicating strong bearishness, and RSI is oversold here too. And if you look at the 4 hour charts, on the 4 hour charts, you will find that, see, it has created steps here, minor steps, resistance there at 1830 levels, and with 1830 at resistance, it is trying to take a drop. The support here at this zone, it is trying to trade in this channel, and the support here at 1800 is going to provide a very strong levels. If it breaks this zone, we might see a further fall till towards 1791 levels. Now look at the stochastic here on the 4 hour charts, is looking downwards too. MACD is wide divergent, indicating bearishness, and RSI here is extremely oversold here. Now you can see extremely oversold. Probably from here it must try to bounce back a little on the upside from next candle onwards. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts too, it has taken a shape. See the previous move from 1860 as the high to 1820, now 1830 to almost 40 points. How much it can go till towards 1790 levels? Possibly first support and strong support is lying at around 1800. If it breaks this, we can expect 1791 and then 1780 levels. These levels are definitely going to provide a stronger support at 1800 levels. Below that, we might see a good fall till towards 1791. Right now it is appearing bearish. Is daily stochastic, this is also oversold here. MACD is wide divergent and bearish here, and if you look at the stochastic, is again oversold here. So most of the times whenever gold has hit in the past it oversold levels on the RSI, it has almost bounced back every time. With this, it has come back to, see, gold has consolidated in this zone for quite some time, almost 1760 to 1790, and achieved now back to these levels. So I'll be watchful. If it breaks this zone at 1760 next week, probably we may be looking forward to a bearish move in gold henceforth. So stay cautious for the day. Only move I see is, yes, once you see it trading below, see, a good short entry could be at around 1810, where you can go short again and expect it to drop till towards 1800 first support, and then 1791 second support. In fact, it can try to go below those levels. Anything can happen. These are markets. On the upside, in between 1810 and 1820, do not take a position. Above 1820, you can expect it to hit again till towards 1825, 1830 levels. 1830 is definitely going to be a major resistance zone. So take your positions accordingly. There is nothing much to say. It is already bearish and it can continue to be bearish. It may try to hit 1791 and below levels. It appears so far, but these are markets beyond you and me. I'll recommend you to go only remain short till the time it is below 1810 levels. In between 1810 and 1820, I will not recommend you to take any position. Above that, you can take a long entry. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US100. See, US100 on the 2-hour charts, it is still trading in this bullish channel. The support here at around uh, you can say 12050. Now the support here at around 12120 levels. So if it breaks 12120, here it may try to come back till towards 12100, and below that 12070 levels. Below that we may see a sharper fall. So I'll be only recommending you to go short once it breaks below 12050. Below 12050 you can take a short entry. Also look at this, the previous candles, it may try to consolidate here. Look at this, the tails here on these candles, and also the body size here is increasing on the previous 2-hour chart. So yes, once it goes beyond 12170, we can again expect it to achieve a high. How high it can go? It can go till towards 12240 levels. So I'll be watchful of that. 12240 can be achieved. It can try to reverse from these levels again and achieve those targets. Also look at the 2-hour stochastic. This was overbought, trying to reverse a bit. Right now it is in sell position, and if you look at the MACD, it is trying to converge and crossover. RSI is also looking downwards, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart similarly, you will find that this is trying to reverse a bit. However, there is a support coming into picture at this zone at around 12100, and the highs of this channel are very much placed at around 12240, 12250 levels. Possibly it may try to hit this zone, and I will not recommend you to take any position between 12250 and 12050 levels. Probably yes, it can bounce back from 12050 levels. However, look at the 3-hour stochastic. This is overbought, looking downwards from here. MACD has crossed over 5 candles back, and it is trading in green, and RSI is also looking upwards here, right now turning flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, one must observe that the body size is consistently diminishing here. It is trying to give you a reversal candle. One probability that if it breaks past 12250, we may see a higher highs. We may see it going till towards 12300, 12400 levels. But look at this, it is trying to trade in this channel. So yes, if it reverses from here, breaking below 12050 levels, we may see a little drop on US100, where it might try to hit 11950, and below that it may try to go back till towards 11800, and below that we may see a sharper fall. So yes, this can be expected. Look at the 4-hour stochastic. This is also overbought, and hence it is trying to reverse from here. And if you look at the MACD, it is wide divergent bullish here. Probably few more green candles can be accommodated here. RSI is running flat here, and if you come back to the daily charts, on the daily charts again it's a green candle. And yes, see, I am telling you another observation here. See, this is with the flat bottom out here. So in general, with the flat bottom, it will always try to at least try to come back down once throughout this session. That is what is my expectation. Probably 11800 and 12240 can be the trading zone in for the day. So yes, you can try to go short at 12240. From there it can try to come back on the downside, but please enter at the right levels in between 11800 and 12240. That is my expectation that US100 can trade today. About 12240, we may see it hitting highs at around 12300, 12400. These are the two levels which are on the upside, and on the downside 11800 is a good level which it might give it a stronger support. Yes, you can go short at 12040 level. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US30. See, US30 here was consolidating in between this zone. It has given a breakout candle, achieved 32100, and now trying to trade sideways. So do not trade between 31900 to 32100 levels. These 200 points, skip it apart. Above 32100, one can expect it to give you another highs at around 32220 and 32300. In fact, it can rise till towards 32400, 500 levels. 500 could be the next high which it might try to achieve. And yes, on the downside, breaking 31900, we may see a sharper fall at 31800, 31650 zone, which is going to be a very strong support zone. So below 31800, you can expect 31650, 31500, then 31400, 200 levels can also be seen. While volatile days, for 2-hour stochastic looking downwards, MACD is trying to converge from here. RSI is looking downwards, indicating little bearishness here on US30. If you look at the 3-hour charts, similarly on the 3-hour charts, one must not forget that it has tried to give you a breakout. Also, this is right now trading in this. It is Poland flag, and it is trying to give you a breakout. So possibly it can continue with the bullish momentum here Till the time it trades above 31,900, I will consider this as bullish and I will expect it to rise. Once it is below 31,900, you can expect that this is the reversal which it is trying to give. 31,800, 31,650 and below levels can be seen here. Take your positions accordingly. 3-hour stochastic overbought looking downwards from here, and if you look at the MACD, it is trying to trade with bullish moves. RSI running flat, and if you look at the 4-hour charts on US30, on the 4-hour charts too, similarly it is trying to give you the breakout here. One can see that it is trying to come out of this channel, and it has already seen the highs. Yes, 32,050, 32,100 levels. These levels are pretty strong resistance level, but beyond this we may see it rising high till towards 32,400 levels. It can go till there. At the same time, breaking 31,900, yes, you can go short there. 31,800, 31,650 levels can be seen here. Stronger drop can be expected below those levels. 4-hour stochastic is overbought. MACD is just crossed over, and it is just the 3 candles. It is still white divergent, indicating bullishness here. And if you look at the stochastic, it is trading flat here. Coming back to the daily charts, on the daily chart it is trying to reverse. In general, it is trading in this channel, and yesterday was a breakout here. Now see, it has also got a flat bottom there, so probably for throughout this day it may try to come back below these levels once, and hence 31,650 can be broken once today. It may try to break below 31,500 once for the day and try to trade in this zone between 32,100 to 31,500 level. In fact, it can try to break below those levels. Trade with caution there. Look at the daily stochastic. This is looking upwards from here, indicating little bullishness. And if you look at the MACD white divergent is still bearish. RSI trading near to bottom. So yes, you can go short at 31,900, but please, because the markets are volatile, trade with caution. 31,800, 31,650 and below 31,650 we may see a sharper break which will take it towards 31,500, 31,400 levels. On the upside, 32,100, if it crosses, we may see 32,1, rather I say 32,200 and then 32,400 directly it will try to achieve. So take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.